Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. We are going to be working with vowel teams today. Vowel teams are a group of 2 or 3 letters, and it makes the long vowel sound. The vowel says its name. The first word that we're going to write today is the word sheep. Please finger stretch sheep with me. Sheep, sheep. Sheep, sheep. And I know that when 2 vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name. The second one goes to sleep. Good night. So please make sure that you're drawing your arrow and your sleepy Z's right now. Our next word is the word coat. K-O-T. Coat. K-O-T. Coat. I see my vowel team. The first vowel does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name. And the second vowel goes to sleep. Good night. Our next word has the IGH vowel team. IGH says I. The word is bright. B, I, T. Bright. Now IGH is a little bit different than other vowel teams because there's not another vowel walking with the I, but there's 3 letters making the long I sound. Our next word is the word toe. T-O, toe. Toe. When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name. The second one goes to sleep. Good night. And remember, boys and girls, when you hear O at the end of the word, most of the time it's going to be O-E. That's the vowel team that we're going to be working with. All right, our next word is the word street. Please finger stretch street with me. S-T-R-E-T. Street. S-T-R-E-T. Street. And I see my vowel team. The first one does the talking, making the long vowel sound E, while the second one goes to sleep. Our next word is goat. G-O-T. Goat. G-O-T. Goat. And there's my vowel team. The O is making its sound, a sound just like its name. It's saying O, while the A is sleeping. All right, we're back to the IGH vowel team. And the word is flight. F-O-I-T. Flight. O-I. Hear that I. I-G-H says I. Flight. Our next word is the word foe. F-O. A foe is an enemy. F-O. Foe. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name. The second one goes to sleep. Our next word is keep. K-E-P. Keep. K-E-P. Keep. The first vowel makes a sound just like its name, saying E. The second one goes to sleep. And our last word is float. F-O-T. Float. F-O-T. Float. All right, my friends, you're pretty good at this next part. You're going to color all the vowels red, and you're going to color all of the consonants blue. I'll do the first one to show you. S is a consonant, H is a consonant, E is a vowel, E is a vowel, and P is a consonant. Let's look at the word bright. B is a consonant, B. R is a consonant. Then we have I, which is a vowel. And then we have G, that's a consonant. H is a consonant. And T is a consonant. Go ahead and finish coloring on your own. And flip on over to the next page when you're ready. Please write your name at the top of your paper. And today we are going to work with the OA vowel team. So we're going to color the OA words. And today we're not coloring the entire word, we're just going to color the vowel team. So our first word is coal. K-O-L. Coal. We're going to just color that vowel team. Point to the vowel that's doing the talking and show me which vowel is asleep. Our next word is groan. G-R-O-N. Groan. There's my vowel team. And I hear the O making a sound just like its name. We don't hear the A at all because it is asleep. Our next word is trod. T-R-O-D. Trod. There is no OA vowel team there, so we're going to leave it blank. Our next one is coat. K-O-T. Go ahead and color the vowel team. Then we're going to point to the first vowel to remind us that that is the vowel that does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name, while the second one goes to sleep. Then our next word down is goal. G-O-L. Goal. Color the vowel team. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name, and the second one goes to sleep. Good night. Our next word is slob. S-L-O-B. Slob. There is no vowel team in the word slob, so we're going to leave it be. Then we have coast. K-O-S-T. Color your vowel team. please point to the vowel that's doing the talking, making a sound just like its name. The second one goes to sleep. Our next word is clock. K-l-o-k, clock. No vowel team there. Let's go on down to the next line. Hot. H-ot, hot. No vowel team there. Boast. B-o-st. Boast. When you boast, it's like you're bragging. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. It makes a sound just like its name. The second one goes to sleep. Good night. Then our next word is float. F-l-o-t, float. Highlighting that vowel team, pointing to the vowel that's doing the talking. And our last word is goat. G-o-t, goat. Yes, we do have the vowel team there. The O is making a sound just like its name, while the A is asleep. Then we're going to go down to spin, read, and write. We have float, coal, g-ol, goal, g-oat, k-oat, k-oast, grown, g-er-own, and boast, b-oast. So you'll spin, read, and write. Then our word bank at the bottom, coal with the vowel team, float, coat, goal, and grown. All right, my friends, when you're finished with that, go ahead and move into Lexia. Way to go, you did great.